Here's my console app for OOP. First, import statement. Java util. Import java.util scanner, semicolon. Import java.text simple date format, semicolon. Then import java.util date, semicolon. This import statement bring in the necessary classes for user input, date formatting, and working with dates. Second, main class declaration. Public class simple alarm clock. This line declares the main class named simple alarm clock. Number 3, main method. Public class, public static void main string args. The program starts execution from the main method. Number 4, scanner initialization. Scanner S is equals to new scanner system.in, then semicolon. Hindi na to kalimutan semicolon. This line creates a scanner object to read user input. Number 5, user input for alarm time. System.out.print. Enter the alarm time. Then bubutang to sa hours, then tapos minute. Then semicolon. Then string alarm time input equals scanner dot next line. Then bracket, close open parenthesis, then semicolon. Number 6, parsing the alarm time. Try simple date format. Date format is equals new simple date format. Then butang kag close open parenthesis, butang kag double quote, butang nimon hours, then minute. Date alarm time equals date format that parse alarm time input, semicolon. The program attempts to parse the user inputted time using the simple date format class converting into a date object. Number 7, main loop for checking time. While true, date current time is equals to new date if current time that after alarm time system that out that print line times up. Alarm triggered at hours and minute. Close open parenthesis, then break thread sleep to 1000. The program enters a loop that continuously check the current time. If the current time is after the specified alarm time, it triggers the alarm and print the message. The loop has a delay of 1 second between each iteration to avoid excessive CPU usage. And step number 8, exception handling. Catch exception E. System that out the print line invalid the time format that please use hours HS that is to minute. If there's an exception during the printing of the time input, the program catches it and prints an error message. Number 9, resource cleanup. Finally, scanner that close. Then close open parenthesis and semicolon, this curly brace bracket. The finally block ensures that the scanner is closed regardless of whether an expectation occurs or not. Then ang conclusion, the simple alarm clock program is basic illustration of user input date manipulation and simple looping in Java. It provides a foundation that can be expanded upon for more features and improvements.